Let's look at a new program, more complicated than the last one. As you see, what have we got here? We've got an integer n, capital N, which we've set to 500,000, and an array consisting of 500,000 integer elements called A. Now our do something method, what does our do something method do now? Well, we've got a loop which goes from 0 up to 500,000, and it simply puts j into the jth element of the array A. So it puts 0 into the 0th element, 1 into the first element, 2 into the second element. Now do something is going to take a certain amount of time. It's doing at least 500,000 operations there. Now in our main program we've got a loop which goes from 1 up to 499, and what do we do in this loop? So it's what do we do in this loop? Well, we read the time, we do something I times, and then we print out I and the time it took to do that thing. So first time round the loop it'll print out 1 and how long it took to do something once. Second time round the loop it'll print 2 and the time it took to do something twice, right up until the last time when it'll print 499 and the number of times it took to do something 499 times. So let's run this program. Get rid of my email there. So where do we run it? If I compile it first, let's compile it first just to check we're compiling the right version. And if I run it by saying Java 1, you see it's going through the whole program and working out how many nanoseconds it takes to do each iteration of the loop. So let's just let that finish. It's going to go up to 499, so it's nearly there. So, for example, to do something 484 times, it took what's that? It's 125 million nanoseconds. 125 million nanoseconds. Well, a nanosecond is a thousandth of a 1,000 millionth of a second. So this is about a tenth of a second. And as you can see, overall, as the number of times we do something increases, the time it takes gets bigger.